When you think about your dream home, what comes to mind? Is it a place where every corner tells a story, a sanctuary that reflects your unique taste and lifestyle? Is it a cozy farmhouse kitchen filled with rustic charm and the aroma of home-cooked meals? Or maybe a sleek and modern living room with clean lines and large windows that let in plenty of natural light? Interior design is about more than just making a space look pretty. It's about functionality, comfort, and creating an environment that enhances your daily life. It's about creating a home that reflects your personality and enhances your life. Every piece of decor, every color choice, and every layout decision contributes to this. Interior design plays a crucial role in the world of real estate. A well-designed home can make a significant difference in how potential buyers perceive the property. A well-designed home is more appealing to buyers. It helps them envision their own lives in the space, making it easier for them to fall in love with the property. It feels inviting and comfortable, a place where they can see themselves living and thriving. Good design can even increase the value of your property. A well-thought-out renovation can transform a dated space into a modern masterpiece. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, interior design is an essential part of the process. It ensures that every detail is considered and every space is utilized effectively. It helps you make the most of your space and create a home you'll love. Smart design solutions can maximize even the smallest areas, making them functional and beautiful. From choosing the right colors to selecting furniture and accessories, every decision plays a part in the overall feel of your home. Interior design brings your vision to life. It turns your ideas and dreams into a tangible reality that you can enjoy every day. It's about creating a space that is both beautiful and functional, a place that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations, a place where you can truly relax and be yourself, surrounded by the things you love and the people who matter most. Believe it or not, interior design is important right from the start of a construction project. It's not just an afterthought or something to consider once the walls are up and the paint is dry. It's not just about the finishing touches. Interior design plays a crucial role in the overall planning and execution of the project. During the construction phase, interior designers work closely with architects and builders. This collaboration is essential to ensure that the design vision is realized from the ground up. They make sure the space is designed with functionality in mind. This means considering how each room will be used and how people will move through the space. This collaboration ensures that things like room flow, natural light, and traffic patterns are carefully considered. These elements are vital for creating a comfortable and efficient living environment. For example, an interior designer might suggest moving a window to maximize natural light. This can make a significant difference in the ambiance and energy efficiency of a room. Or they might recommend adjusting the layout to create a more open and inviting space. These changes can enhance the overall aesthetic and functionality of your home. These early decisions in the construction phase have a huge impact on the final look and feel of your home. They set the stage for a cohesive and well-thought-out design. It's all about laying the groundwork for a beautiful and functional space. By addressing these details early on, you can ensure a smoother construction process and a more satisfying end result. By integrating interior design from the beginning, you can avoid costly mistakes and ensure that your new home is everything you dreamed of. This proactive approach leads to a more harmonious and enjoyable living space. Lighting and flooring are two key elements that can make or break a space. They have a huge impact on the overall ambiance and functionality of a room. Let's start with lighting. Natural light is always best. Large windows and skylights can flood a room with warmth and create a welcoming atmosphere. When it comes to artificial lighting, it's important to consider the purpose of the space. For example, a kitchen needs bright task lighting for cooking and prepping meals. A living room, on the other hand, might benefit from softer, ambient lighting to create a cozy and relaxing mood. Flooring is another important element. Hardwood floors are a classic choice. They add warmth and character to any room. Tiles are a great option for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Technology has revolutionized the way we design and experience spaces. Today's interior designers use a variety of digital tools to create stunning and functional homes. One of the most exciting advancements is three-dimensional rendering software. This technology allows designers to create realistic virtual models of spaces. Clients can take a virtual tour of their future home and make changes before construction even begins. Smart home technology is another game changer. Imagine controlling your lighting, temperature, and entertainment system with a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. Technology is not just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing functionality and making our lives easier and more enjoyable. From sustainable to stylish, choosing the right materials is crucial for creating a home that is both beautiful and environmentally friendly. The materials we choose for our homes have a big impact on both the environment and our well-being. They can influence everything from the air quality inside our homes to the overall carbon footprint of our living spaces. Sustainable materials are becoming increasingly popular as people become more eco-conscious. These materials not only help in reducing environmental impact, but also often come with health benefits. Bamboo, for example, is a fast-growing, renewable resource that can be used for flooring, furniture, and even countertops. Its versatility and sustainability make it an excellent choice for eco-friendly homes. Reclaimed wood is another great option. It not only recycles old materials, but also adds a unique charm and character to any space. It adds character and history to a space, making each piece truly one of a kind. The texture and story behind reclaimed wood can make your home feel more personalized and warm. When selecting materials, it's important to think about durability, maintenance, and of course, style. Durable materials ensure that your home remains beautiful and functional for years to come. Natural materials like wood and stone have a timeless appeal and can enhance the value of your home. They bring a sense of nature indoors, creating a serene and elegant atmosphere. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials to create a unique and interesting look. Combining various elements can add depth and personality to your home. A well-designed space should reflect your personal style and make you feel right at home. Personal touches and thoughtful material choices can transform any house into a warm and inviting home. Function meets form, designing practical spaces. A beautiful home is also a functional one. Interior design is about creating spaces that work for your lifestyle. Take the kitchen, for example. It's often called the heart of the home. A well-designed kitchen should be both stylish and practical, with plenty of counter space, storage, and easy-to-access appliances. In the bathroom, storage is key. Open shelving can make a small bathroom feel larger and airier. Consider incorporating built-in storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. No matter what room you're designing, it's important to think about how you'll use the space and choose furniture and accessories that are both stylish and functional. Section 7. Creating harmony, balancing beauty and comfort. Good interior design is all about creating a sense of harmony and balance. It's about finding the perfect balance between beauty and comfort, style and function. A well-designed room should feel inviting and welcoming, a place where you can relax and be yourself. It should reflect your personal style and tell your story. Pay attention to the details. Small touches like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to add personal touches that make your home unique. Remember, interior design is a journey, not a destination. Have fun with it, and don't be afraid to experiment until you create a space you love. Section 8. The eco-conscious choice, sustainable design for a better future. Sustainable design is no longer a trend, it's a responsibility. As we become more aware of our impact on the planet, it's important to make eco-conscious choices in our homes. Sustainable interior design is about more than just using recycled materials. It's about reducing our carbon footprint, conserving water, and creating healthier living spaces. Choose energy-efficient appliances and lighting. Install low-flow shower heads and toilets to conserve water. Opt for paints and finishes that are low in VOCs or volatile organic compounds. By making sustainable choices, we can create beautiful and healthy homes for ourselves and future generations. Section 9. Investing in good design, enhancing value and lifestyle. Investing in good interior design is an investment in your home and your well-being. A well-designed home is a joy to live in. It can even increase the value of your property. If you're thinking of selling your home, a well-designed interior can make it more appealing to potential buyers. A fresh coat of paint, updated fixtures, and a well-staged space can make a big difference. But even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, Investing in good design is a worthwhile endeavor. It's about creating a space that reflects your personal style and enhances your everyday life. Section 10. The power of interior design. Transforming houses into homes. Interior design has the power to transform houses into homes. It's about creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional, stylish and comfortable. From the layout of the rooms to the choice of colors, materials, and furniture, every detail contributes to the overall feel of a space. A well-designed home is a reflection of its occupants. It tells their story and provides a backdrop for making memories that will last a lifetime. So whether you're building a new home, renovating an existing one, or simply want to refresh your space, remember the power of interior design. It's an investment in your happiness and well-being.